Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on search bar on the drawer app on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who extremely often to search some feature or apps on your cell phone, and don't need to be worried guys, because you can turn on search bar on your drawer app so that it make it easy for us to search for something or search for feature on our cell phone. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do, now you can go to home screen and then you can pinch like this and then click on the settings icon and then now click more, and then after that now you can click home screen, scroll down and you can activate open search bar after showing drawer up, and the result would be like this. And so yeah, here's the search bar and then here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.